Woke up tangled in sheets, coffee cold on the floor. Blame the alarm, but it's my chaos I adore. You whispered goodbye with that half smile side. I fumbled the keys, watched our dreams wave bye-bye.
That rainy night drop, wiper slapping the feet. I swerved on your words, nearly crashed in defeat. Life's a lo-fi tape, scratches and all, but rewind the hurt. Hey, we gave it all. I don't blame you for the static we spun. We vibed in the haze under lo-fi sun.
You dropped the needle, I skipped on the groove, but no shape thrown. We got soul to prove. Dust off the vinyl, let the good times play. I don't blame you, rise and find your way. Who thought love's melody could warp and bend?
Echoes of laughter where the heartaches end.
Breathe in the calm, let the old notes fade.
Pack faded photos, you laugh in my ear. That silly dance off, spilling wine everywhere.
You called me a dreamer, too lost in the clouds, but watch me grounded, turning whispers too loud. I scrolled through old texts, chuckled at the mess. Your midnight rants like a jazz solo confess. Endings feel heavy, but lights creeping in, healing the cracks where the new begins. I don't blame you for the echoes we chase. We looped in the beat, now the rhythm's replaced. You flashed the signal, I blurred the line, but forgiveness flows like this chills on the record size. We were bright and still. I don't blame you, let the inspiration shade. Lessons in low-key wrapped in soulful glow.
From dim-lit regrets to the afterglow.
Streets, headphones drowning in noise. Blame the playlist, but it's my heart going crazy. Left with the sunrise, the soft fade away. I lingered in twilight, finding words to say. That backyard jam, guitars out of tune. We harmonize chaos under the moon. Life's in vision, sharp turns and dips. But here's a solo, I'm owning my slips. I don't blame you for the waves we roll. We surf the static, now the currents bestow.